Hello! Today we are going to learn how to divide decimals by whole numbers. And so if I want to divide 3 and 71 hundredths by 7, I want to first start by showing 3 and 71 hundredths on the grids. So I'm going to color in 3 holes. Now I need 7 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1/100th, all colored in. The next step is to think, how can I divide this into 7 pieces? So if we think about it like money, if you had $3.71 and you wanted to divide that up between 7 people, nobody would be able to get a whole dollar. So you would have to break your money into change. So we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to not look at the 3 holes like they're 3 holes. We can look at it like we have a handful of tenths, which would be dimes if we were talking about money. And so if I look at how many tenths we have 37 tenths, and I want to split that into 7 groups. Well, I know that 7 times 5 is 35. And that 35 would get me really close to my 37 tenths. So I want to go ahead and mark those off. I want to make 7 groups of 5 tenths. And so I'm going to mark those off now. That's 1 group. That's 2 groups. 3 groups. 4 groups. 5 groups. 6 groups. 7 groups. So now that I have those 7 groups, I still have a remainder. So I have 21 hundredths. So now when I look at 21 hundredths, how do I split that into 7 equal pieces? Well, I know that 7 times 3 equals 21. So I can then make 7 groups of 3 hundredths. I will do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally my 7th group there. So now when I need to look at how much each group is worth. And so if I look at the first group, I colored in over here, we had 5 tenths, and then each of the groups with the hundredths were 3 hundredths. So I have 53 hundredths. So that is my answer for 3 and 71 hundredths divided by 7 would equal 53 hundredths. All right, we will practice tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.